love you, Seattle, Washington. I love you, Seattle, Washington. Are you ready? Yeah. Put your Bible, tell them say your life over. Man not bright, but tell them say your God is blind. My people, but them don't know that we left. Them time, sing with me. And tell them I swear, that I will never sing. Keep on with your songs and kids. That I will never sing. I cannot hear me, yeah. Let me hear you say, whoa. Say yeah. I love it, Seattle, Washington. I love it, Seattle, Washington. Give me an answer, give me an over 10 years and more, I have come to Seattle, Washington. I'm so grateful to be here. We have to bring back the original. Nothing like the original reggae music. This is what reggae music will bring us together. This is what reggae music, the power of reggae music, bringing us together. This is what I want to see. My brothers and my sisters here, no matter what color you are, we all are one blood. Are you ready? Give me a dance on it. Man not right, because them say I'm got it black. My people, don't know me. Sing with me. I tell them I swear, they don't will never. My people, they get somebody. They have it. What is it? Let me hear you say, come a little closer. Wanna come a little closer. Wanna come a little closer. Lord, as I told you, Jack will bless us and make us. I trust that we gon' be there someday to come. Yo, I never doubted. I keep the faith on the Lord. Good friend, I'm a... Yeah, but I'm a... If you love reggae music, put one hand in the ear. Love reggae music, put two fingers in the ear. Love reggae music, put three fingers in the ear. Yeah! I love you, Seattle, Washington. I'm so grateful to be here. Living Fiyah, I bring up God, I'm a super jump. Because it's Ghost. Turn on the phone them. Turn them on. Turn on the light and turn on the phone them. Turn on the light and turn on the phone them. Are you ready? It's all about the weed. Do you love the weed? Living Fiyah! Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Are you feeling? Yes, sir. It's all about the weed. Do you love the weed? Go on, go plant the seed. Ganja good for your dance. Got to preserve. Ganja turn on to the curve. It's all about the weed. Do you love the weed? Go on, go plant the seed. Ganja good for your dance. Got to preserve. Watch out. Wanna give me a draw? Wanna give me a split? Turn to the east. You wanna make we make a wish? I wrote this smoke and one. Make Babylon a trick. Who the fuck them marijuana rust up to every dish? Alright! Babylon them can't take the smoke. Living Fiyah can't cool, yes me not joke. Living Fiyah can't cool, yes me can't quit. Do you love reggae music? 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 Say I red like black. It's a medicine, the substance where you come from the body. You're red like blood. It make the rise, burn it off as soon as we got. You're red like blood. It's a medicine, the substance where you come from the body. You're red like blood. It make the rise, burn it off. Yo! It's all about the weed. Do you love the weed? Go on and go plant the seed. Ganja good for your health.
Got to preserve. Manage the curve.
In the street is getting hot, and the youth never get some. Let me explain it to you. No. This little baby was going to school. Her name was Shamika Adams. She was going to school. She was only 6 years old. And they took this baby away, do some really bad things to her. I can't even say it on the mic, because it was so awful. But they really did that to her. I don't really want to say it because it's really made me cry inside. This could be your baby. This could be your brother baby. Your sister's baby. And I did this song, and the system banned this song. This song wasn't promoting any violence. When I say gash them and light them, I didn't mean a literal fire. You know, I mean a spiritual fire. But if you're gonna burn wickedness in high and low places, let me see, put one finger in the air like this. One finger in the air like this, touch the ceiling. Touch the ceiling. Touch the ceiling. Hey, let me gas them on now. Yeah. Follow the negative voice and never win. Gas them. Never just the right of them, just the clear. Gas them up. All of the rivers, they never know it. Gas them up. A big man like you, where Papa 6-year-old baby. A big man like you come from your gun, put knife on a little old lady. A big man like you wanna go school, one like you're not thinking crazy. When I roll you, it's carnival. Everybody sing, everybody sing. Yes,
Negative vibes with them, I'm bringing
let me just sing. When you see Chuck Fenda, we have to like them. We have to like them. My album is out, it's called Eternal Fire. It's on all major platforms. Please get it. Please follow me on Instagram, Chuck, CHUCK_FENDA. You're some beautiful people, man. I really love Seattle, Washington. Miss Caroline, please. We gotta get a place over here where we come and stay, chill out to the people, and smoke some weed with the people, enjoy with the people. Are you feeling it? Okay, so listen. This is my tour coordinator. Give her a round of applause.
Yeah, Jim.
She really helped me to put all this together because, to tell you something, you know, it's been like over 10 years I haven't come over this side, like over a decade. And we call a lot of booking agencies and say, hey, you know, I really definitely want to come over here. They didn't return our call, I don't know why. But I understand that I have to do a great job, a serious job, to bring people together, bring the West Coast together. Because it's a big cake, it's for everybody. And we got to get the message out there, and I need you to help me to bring this thing together. You know, she keep pointing me and saying, the box. There's a basic school in Jamaica that don't have any roof. You know, the children don't have any books to go to school and they need some help. And it's over there, so if you choose to, I would love for you to leave something there for them. You know what I mean? Miss Jennifer right here is trying to advocate some funds for them and stuff like that. And me, Chuck Fenda, everybody. So before you leave, please leave a donation for them. But I just want to let you know that I love you so much. And I'm going to continue blazing the fire and spreading the message on the West Coast. So we go to LA tomorrow. And then we go to Santa Cruz. And then we move to Belize. Then we move to Arcadia. Then we move to Oakland. Then we move to so many other places. But we had to start it here in Seattle, Washington. This is the starting point. So that's why we have to bring the message to the people. And I thank you so much for coming out. Give yourself a round of applause for being so beautiful. Give yourself a round of applause for being such a beautiful people. And I love you. Can't stop the fire. This is a new stuff. No one can stop this fire.